Welcome to Cook with Abby. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'll show you the easiest, cheapest and the quickest way to prepare tandoori chicken at your home. So firstly, what you need is chicken. For this recipe, I'm using chicken drumstick. Make a deep cut so that the marinade penetrates inside and helps to cook it evenly. So this is the first marination. Acid will react with the protein and will tenderize the meat. Mix it well and keep it in the fridge for 30 to 45 minutes. And for the second marination, here I have a hung curd which is already been hung overnight in the fridge. Some mustard oil, Kashmiri chili powder and some spices. Mix it well, and now you take out your chicken from the fridge and squeeze all the excess juices and mix with the second marination. And now your chicken is ready to go in the fridge again for at least 1 to 2 hours to mature. Now set your baking tray, apply some oil and take out your chicken after 2 hours, and now your chicken is ready to get baked. Oven has to be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius, and now you put your chicken inside, cook it for 10 to 15 minutes and give it a turn so that it cooks evenly. Cook it for more 15-20 minutes. Take it out, keep it aside and cover it for 5 to 7 minutes. Let the meat to rest. Your chicken is almost done. Add some chopped corianders followed by some lemon juice, chaat masala, and then at the last, melted butter. Mix it well and set it on a plate or a platter. Garnish with a nice coriander sprig. And your tandoori chicken is ready. Enjoy with your family and friends. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.